Jeremy here with HighTek USA. We're at Pack Expo 2023 in Las Vegas. This year we bought our T4 premium unit. This is our 7.5 with gentle handling. This unit here that we brought, it's designed specifically for potato products. That's why everything is on a really shallow slope. We make them for salad where we give it a much more gradual slope to help move everything, but one of the key things we do is fine tuning of our feeders. We make our main feeder or dispersion feeder vibrate to up to 4 millimeters of vibration, which is quite a bit more than a lot of other scale companies are able to produce. This unit here has 7.5 liter. We also make a 5.5 liter, 2.5 liter, and 0.2 liter. Everything on the HighTek unit here is stainless steel or food grade plastic, no aluminum, no mild steel, full wash down. We have a color touchscreen on this unit that can hold up to 50 recipes for ease of operation. That's our goal here with the HighTek unit. We try to make it easy for the operators. The easier it is for them, the easier it is for you and your company. The software on the remote control has what we call our Master Pack software, which allows you to put any sort of commodity into any single bucket, and that'll be incorporated in the target weight. So if you're putting a thing of salad dressing with your spring mix, we go ahead and package that all in one shot. What really sets HighTek apart is our service. We have a full service team to train, set up, and install or diagnose and repair your equipment. We also have a full parts department that has everything in stock you could possibly need. Whether you damage a component, water entry, or anything along those lines, we could take care of you in 24 hours or less. If you want any more information of anything you might have seen here today, you can get a hold of us at 800-504-7120 or hightechusa.com.